Students, last class we had already discussed about how Panchayat Raj institution established and decentralization and why importance of rural development. So these are the matters we had discussed in last video. So in this video now once again we are discussing about what are the key roles or what are the importance programs implemented by Panchayat Raj institutions to development of rural area. So that only we want to discuss in this video. So when we are discussing about Panchayat Raj institutions, they provided overall development of rural development. Overall development of rural area. So in that purpose only, they implemented there are different types of programs to alleviate poverty or basic supply of peoples of rural area or village areas. So in that purpose only, they implemented there are different types of programs. The education facility or health, sanitation, road, transport system, communication, high schools or primary education. So these like the government or Panchayat Raj institutions, they try to development. We want to eradicate all the problems of regional level, means local levels, especially in village areas. So in that about only they are doing so much of programs, and we can see in that based is one of the important institutions. This is one of the important process is need. Are they conducting the meeting? So on that based they are deciding, are they doing discussion? So on that based they are seeing the problems and how we can eradicate. These are the matters they taking in that Grama Sabha. So Grama Sabha is one of the important key points in Panchayat Raj institutions. Here village areas people they together, they gathering in a place and they conducting meeting every 6 months in a per year. They conducting meeting. So in that meetings the discussion going on. There's some of the matters about the school, health, education, sanitation, a road, transport system. So we are discussing there are different types of problems or different types of matters, and they're taking some of the measurements and what are the programs we want to implement in that particular area, how we can implement. So these are the matters they're taking discussion in the place of Grama Sabha. So these like Panchayat Raj institutions, they took some of the measurements to development of rural area. One is the basic supply of needable supply of people. Second one is conducting a Grama Sabha. So after that here they given based on PRIs, yes, the local planning, means already we are discussing decentralization. Peoples they are involving in administrative and removal of problems faced by rural areas. So in that about only we are implemented by decentralization. So on that based Grama Sabha, they planning for a different types of sector, for health or commercial or trade or schools, health. So these they are taking measurements or they are doing some of the discussions. After that PRI, they implementing some of the programs in that particular area, in that particular village areas. So these like we can see. So after that the PRIs, means Panchayat Raj institutions, they program implemented to eradicate unemployment problems in village area. So in that purpose for PRIs implemented one of the important program, that is Mahatma Gandhi Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, MGNREGS, MG Narega we are calling that only. So this programs implemented to eradicate the problem of unemployment in the place of village area. So in that based the government they providing for village areas peoples for 100 days guarantee employment opportunity, and they giving equal wages for men and women in that based on programs. So this is also one of the important programs implemented by our Indian government. So after that we can see another programs also they implemented to alleviate the poverty. So in that based also they implemented by this one MG Narega. And next one we can see another important programs who are they not a shelter facility, house facilities, for them they are providing some of the shelter programs. So which are the programs we can see to construct a house in village area? We can see some of the important programs. One is there they given Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and Ambedkar Valmiki Housing Program, Ashray Yojana. So these are the important programs implemented by Panchayat Raj institutions to provide a shelterless peoples for they want to provide a shelters. So in that purpose for they implemented by housing programs. So after that we want to know next one, and Panchayat Raj institutions they implemented because of they have some of the peoples they are not getting sufficient food. So in that purpose public distribution system implemented in the area of village or rural area. So on that based the government they are providing free food grains to poor peoples. not only poor peoples, they identifying any are widows are there, any old age peoples or any other sick peoples are there. For them also our government, our PRIs, they providing free food for them. So through of public distribution society. So these are the programs implemented by our government. And not only this one, we can see self-help groups also, they also implemented in the area of PRIs by influence of Panchayat Raj institutions. So on that based, they also giving some of the programs of encouragement of women or empowerment of women. So in that about also self-help groups also, they also involved in the development of rural area, especially in women's. And next one we can see another one, and Panchayat Raj institutions, they involved in the society practice as social and traditional or cultures development of rural area. So if any villages they conducting any festivals or any fairs, so on that time the village Gram Panchayati, they also giving encouragement because of they want to protect a culture of that particular village, and in that waste they can develop a particular area. So in that purpose, the PRIs, they involve the development of culture and tradition in that particular areas. So these, like we can see, our government means PRIs, they implemented, there are different types of programs to eradicate poverty or poor or unemployment problems. So these are the problems to eradicate thoroughly. They took some of the measurements, and they're providing nutritious food to who are they not getting sufficient food. For them, they're providing nutritious food, and they took some of the irrigation programs to provide a water facility to agriculture field. So these are the problem, these are the facilities also they took, and they encouraging agriculture, productions of agriculture activities, and another one cattle rearing, poultry, fishing, social factory. So these like of matters for also our PRIs are the governments, the three types of governments, they given government, they given powers. So on that based they took some of the measurements, and they providing irrigation facility to agriculture field. So these like we can see some of the programs they took by PRIs means Panchayat Raj institutions to development of local areas. And next one we want to know women's also, they also giving so much of contribution in the field of rural development, because of without women's we can develop a rural area. So we want to involve women's also in the development of rural area. So we can see women's, she working as a different types of role in our Indian society. As a mother, here they given as a mother, daughter-in-law or daughters. So these like we can see women's, she working, they serving overall their life to development of men, and she only giving one of the important shape for men also. And she not only working in the field of not only house, we can see outside also she working as a farmer, she working as a workers, employees, officer, businessman, and lawmakers. So these like women's, she can work, she have the able like a man, she also they can contribute in the field of development. So that's why women's also, they also if they involved in development of rural area, easily in country also can development. And next one point they saying in rural area, this women's involvement of administrative system, this one is one of the needable things, because of we can see she have ability, because if already she maintain a house, she knowing what are the problems we are facing in a family and how we can handle that one. She already understand these are the knowledge, they have common knowledge how we can solve the problems. So on that base, women also she involved in development of rural area, easily we can develop a village. So in that based government, they took some of the measurements. So here they saying not only she working in a lawmaker or employment, not only we can see in village areas, women they working as a, here saying cattle rearing, fisheries, silkworm rearing, horticulture, horticulture, farmer, poultry. So these like women they working in rural areas, so in different types of sector. Not only in urban areas, we can see in rural areas, so women they working in different types of work, they involved as in different types of field. So when they involving these like of sectors, we can earn easily money, income. So when we are earning the income, so easily our country also become developed. So in that purpose, like a men, women's also, she also want to involve in the production of or in the development of nation or rural area. So that like they say. And we can see educated women who are they get the education. So this like of women, they can handle easily the problems because she have the knowledge. Already I told, if anyone woman, she knowing how we can solve the, because of she took the leadership or she took the responsibility, the family, she caring that one family. So on that basis, she knowing if any problems if arise, how we can solve. She knowing all the knowledge. So that's why they say education women successfully she can handle all the jobs. She knowing how we can handle the jobs. So on that basis we can see in government office nowadays we can see she working in government office. After that commercial establishment we can see some of the industries established by women. And next one educational institutions, hospitals, old age homes. So these like educated women, she working or she giving so much of contribution of in these sectors. Not only in a family, she giving contribution in all the sectors. And next one point here they saying, so when we are giving opportunity in political field, so there also she taking responsibility and actively she can involve in administrative matters and she can develop a particular area. So on that based our rural area also in PRS, Panchayat Raj institution also, they given opportunity to women. They given women for some of the important reservation. On that based she taking as a president post in Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayati. We all are knowing commonly nowadays there's so much of majority of reservation we are given to president post in Gram Panchayati only for women. Because of she knowing, already we have discussed, she already solved the problems of family, she already handled the family, she knowing how we can solve the problems. So on that based in rural area also, government they given provision to women, she can involve in the problems and she can easily can solve this one problems. Because of she already got the education, she have ability, she can handle the problems. So on that based our Karnataka government also they given 50% of reservation in local bodies in they given to women. Because of they knowing the quality or the necessity of women in a rural development. Government they knowing, so on that based our Karnataka government also the development of women for only they given 50% of reservation in local bodies. And not only these are the matters, and not only this one about the rural development, we can see self-help groups SHG also they took some of the important measurement to development of women. So on that based we can see they are handling a money. So on that based they can produce a more money and they handling they not getting the knowledge about how we can handle the money and they taking some of the decisions also. So when they taking decisions we can maintain their dignity, we can support the women's dignity and they understanding how we can mobilize the money, how we can save the money. And when these are the knowledge they are getting and actively they are participating in any other activity, production activities. And when these like of production activities they are involving, we can see easily women's empowerment is become developed. We can see like a men, women's also can develop. So these like women's also, if you developed a women's of these like in education field or in any other sectors or in rural areas of development or in self-help groups, if you are supported, these are the areas or these are the sectors, easily women's also they are giving contribution of a nation and easily they can develop of rural development because of she knowing the problems, how we can handle the problems, they knowing. So in that way women's also one of the important matter or one of the important part in a development of rural area. So these are the important points about women's and rural development and PRIs, Panchayat Raj institutions role, or what are the contribution they given to rural development. So next class we can discuss about next another important point. Okay, thank you.